Cambodian Order Minchi Power Plant locates in eastward 20 kilometers to An Long Van, Order Minchi Province. The project adopts clean coal technology with the characteristics of high efficiency, energy saving, and environmental protection. When Order Minchi 200 megawatt power plant goes into operation, it can solve the power shortage situation of the northern part of Cambodia, and it will cut down the electricity price for the residents significantly. The project adopts CFB boiler outdoor arrangement. Steam drum is one of the main parts of boiler hung at the plate girder. The boiler's water-cooled wall is membrane wall, and the cyclone separator is also water-cooled. Superheater and economizer are arranged in the rear flue paths. The electrostatic precipitator is used in the power plant. One concrete chimney is used for 2 boilers. Steam turbine used in this power plant is of condensing type, and the generator is air-cooled with a brushless excitation system. The main transformer is oil-immersed and air-cooled type, and the electrical wiring is in double loops. DCS is adopted in this power plant for controlling the boiler, turbine, and generator. The instrumentation and controls of 2 units are arranged in one common control room. A coal dozer is pushing raw coal into the ditch. Raw coal in the ditch is lifted into crusher by conveyor belt. Raw coal is crushed into powder, finest at 0.1 to 5 millimeters. Coal powder is conveyed into raw coal hopper for storage. Startup induced draft fan, forced draft fan, and primary air fan. Air is forced into the combustion chamber. Diesel oil is ignited by high-energy ignition gun and burning in combustion chamber. Coal feeder transport coal powder into coal pipe, and coal powder is forced into combustion chamber by primary air. Powder coal is ignited by oil torch. With limestone powder feeders running, limestone powder is fed and blew into combustion chamber by compressed air. Flue gas is forced into cyclone separator, and block slag particle is separated and fed back to the combustion chamber to burn again. Flue gas is cooled in rear flue pass and get into electrostatic precipitator for dust collection.
Secondary desulfurization system is designed for flue gas system. In the system, flue gas flows into desulfurization tower. Sulfur dioxide in flue gas reacts with calcium oxide to plaster. The treated flue gas is discharged from the chimney into the air by induced draft fan.
The ash treated by electrostatic precipitator falls down into ash hopper and transported to ash bunker by pump. Dry ash transported to cement factory by ash tank car. Bottom slag is discharged into slag cooler. Cooled slag is transported to bucket elevator by slag conveyor. Bottom slag is transported into slag bunker by bucket elevator. Slag is transported to cement factory by truck. Water in cooling wall absorb the heat of combustion chamber, become into the mixture of steam and water and get into steam drum. After steam water separation process, saturated vapor in steam drum isolated from saturated water. Saturated vapor heated in the superheater of boiler becomes superheated steam. Through a digester valve, superheated steam get into the steam turbine to work. As the rotor of steam turbine rotates in high speed, generator is driven and electricity is produced. Then electricity is sent to power grids through main transformer. CFB boiler is generally adopted as advanced clean coal technology. The emission concentration of sulfur dioxide for this construction work is according to the environmental protection standards. The electrostatic precipitation technology can effectively control the dust emission concentration according to the environmental protection standards. In order to achieve zero discharge of power station's dry ash and slag, supporting facility of cement plant will be constructed. Power plant adopts greywater recycling technology. After treatment, water for production is recycled and reused. No polluted water is discharged. Turbo generator shop adopts closed system without noise effect to residents. The Adaminchi 200 MW power plant is an environment protection project, and it will be constructed to be an art garden-style plant. The plant will make a contribution for the economic development and satisfy the power need of production and living of Cambodia. CNEE